Hello friends. So in this session we'll be discussing about the terminals of the system sensor compact panel. So here I am taking a 4-zone compact panel. So from the front display you can see the display part of the panel where just behind it there is a display PCB. Now we'll be opening the main door of the fire panel where this board has two sections. The right section is the power supply board and the left section is the main baseboard. This complete board is connected to the main display board through a ribbon cable that you can see in the extreme left. Now coming to the power supply board. Here we need to connect the 230 volt AC on the terminals of the panel, where you can see the terminals line, neutral and earth from left to right. There is also a fuse for AC power supplies that is of 2 ampere. Now we'll be discussing about the main baseboard. From right to left, we'll be discussing on each of the terminals. Now first one is the aux terminal. Here you will be getting 24 volt DC output and you can utilize this as per your requirement. Now left to that there are 3 relay outputs. First one is the fire relay, second one is the fault relay and the third one is the programmable relay. These are the normally open contacts and can be utilized for the third party devices. Now left to that there is a NAC circuit. This is also called as notification appliance circuit. Here you can connect the conventional sounders. At the end of the sounder circuit you have to use a 4.7 kilo ohm resistor. If you are not using this terminal output, you'll have to terminate this point with a 4.7 kilo ohm resistor at the board itself. Now left to that there are 4 zone outputs. Here you can connect conventional detectors and MCPs at the individual zone output. These are the 2-wire zone outputs and you'll have to terminate each of the zone with a 4.7 kilo ohm resistor. This is a 4-zone panel which we are discussing, and if you are not utilizing any of the zone output, you have to terminate with a 4.7 kilo ohm resistor in the board itself. Now left to that you can see a ribbon cable that is connected to the display board where you will be getting each of the zone outputs in the display itself. Thanks for attending this session.